Oh, you're fucking kidding me, cunt. Nah, he's back, he's back. Oh no.
He will be. You wait and watch, guys. See how dumb these fucking fish are. You watch. He will come back for it in under fucking 2 minutes. Guaranteed. There he is. They're fucking stupid, man. Just pulled the hook clean out of his mouth and he's like, oh, hang on a minute. Do a Yui.
Barry, I just dropped me feed. I'll be back. Just shaking the hook in himself.
Maybe not too big this one. Oh, he's just dropped it again. Oh, there he is. Oh, yo.
Shark.
Fuck yeah, shark, and I've hooked a good fish too. Fuck.
Whoa.
Fuck. Oh no, I'm off. Shoot through. Unbelievable. Probably for the best.
Same old routine, mate. I reckon
mate.
full anchor.
Yep. I'm gonna get my rod in real quick, just so it doesn't get all tangled around the prop. Move this one first.
Shark on, guys.
Moving him already? Yeah, he's not. Lovely. I shouldn't have said anything. Fuck it! Why did I say anything?
That's on half drag.
Yeah, and a half drag on that is pretty decent.
Mm-hmm.
Let me know if you want me to move super quick or anything, but I'll move.
Nah, not super quick. Got plenty of line.
Still.
Unless he does a big run again.
Swap your sides real quick, and then we'll swap pretty much straight back.
Alright, full anchor.
How much you got? Let me get this in real quick.
I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. Just pull anchor. You can wind it in as we go.
Yeah.
If he does too much more of that, we're in trouble. Oh, make it last forever. Friendship never ends. Wanna be my lover. What a banger for a fucking shark sesh. Oh, no, this is a good shark.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm putting a bit of weight into him and I'm not getting nothing. Maybe for real. Bro, anchor better be up. I'm getting real low. This is a good shark. Just probably saw yours out.
No, I got no idea.
You're just gonna put it in reverse and leave it?
Yep.
Why is it so smoky? Fuck, bro, look at that. Pumping one.
Pumpy windy, boys.
Yeah, he's just cruising with us.
Bull shark? Probably.
Yeah, just the way he ran. It was a fucking great run.
Lemons don't seem to have that dog in them when they
No.
first run, hey?
No.
Yeah.
Even when you hook them, they take that little run and then that's it.
Yeah. This thing's shaking its head pretty good, but
Yeah.
be interesting to see the size of it. Imagine it's the biggest bull of the day.
Oh, that fucking one we didn't land.
Oh no, no. Yeah, he was pretty dog. He was bigger than this, I'd say, but we didn't land him, so it doesn't fucking count, does it? Fuck, these conditions are getting real bad though, guys.
Yeah.
Probably gonna have to call it in a minute.
Fucking capsize here in a minute.
Yeah, she's fucking getting dicey. I can't believe some of the conditions with sharks just for real, guys.
That night where the boat stopped was easily the worst.
Oh, I can see him come.
Yeah, I just seen a flash of silver too.
Yeah, he's not far at all. Oh.
It's like, hey.
He's like, I'm not far, I'll show you far, cunt. Yeah,
Talking
now's
about
where we're
being
trying to get
under.
nice and deep, I'd say, guys.
Yeah, you start sensing the boat.
Yeah.
He's actually playing really nice right now.
Yeah, he is, eh?
Oh. Give us a jump. That'd be fucking sick. Oh, he's cutting to the surface.
Up, yeah. Give us a dorsal at least. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, good fish.
Yeah, good shot.
Hey.
Is he upside down, cunt?
What is he doing?
I think he's a bit line wrapped, mate.
I think he is too. Unless we've hooked a fucking beluga whale, cunt.
There's every chance it's the bay. It's a fucking dugong.
He's very white. That must be his belly, otherwise...
Yeah, I think he was coming up sideways then.
Albino something. Yeah, I didn't see a dorsal.
Oh, albino bull.
Albino bull. Fuck, that'd be alright. He's good fish though.
Yeah, he's fucking good fish. There he is.
There he is. Fuck yeah, he's a nice shark.
He's on his... Hey, he's back on his back.
Yeah, maybe a little shy too. We thinking balls? Jeez,
very light.
Light, hey.
Very light, unless he is still sideways. But
no, he's not. He's not sideways. He's...
White shark.
What the fuck is it? It's not a hammer. I think it is a hammer, cunt. Look at the fin on it.
That's a very big dorsal fin.
Yeah, that's a hammer.
That's a very big dorsal fin.
Hammer, dude.
Yep, that's a hammer.
That is a hammer.
Hammer!
4 species.
That fucking, that name's the run. That name's the run.
That's why he was so quick. Yep. Well, there you go. We're good at getting good at call on these guys. It's a nice hammer too. It's a nice hammer.
Here we go.
Scalloped. Oh no, sorry, greater hammerhead. This one, I'd say.
Your turn.
Down she goes.
We'll wear him out for a bit because these hammers are fucked because their mouths are obviously under the hammer.
Get a good look at him. Oh wow, yeah. No,
he's going under.
He's actually pretty big, cunt.
Yeah, he's decent.
Oh shit. Can you loosen the drag? Come on, man. Oh,
no, he's come back out this way.
Yep. Swap out. Yep. Fucking hell, I wasn't ready for this.
No. A little underprepared.
Switched on.
Nah, we'll let him.
Let him do shit.
Look
Fuck,
at this.
he's a big hammerhead shark, guys. Holy fuck! He's huge! Whoa, dude! You gotta let go, buddy.
I've got him, but he's fucking still got a lot of juice. Oh, that hook is not even in his mouth.
Dude, perfect. No, he's a big hammer too, cunt.
Yeah, he's 2.
He's a fucking big hammer, yeah. I reckon he's 2-1.
He's still got plenty of balls.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
I can let him go and we'll just
yeah, fucking, he's going anyway.
Yeah, we'll just let him hang down there for a minute.
I'll get a phone ready next time we get him up. Oh my god.
4 different species.
Fuck guys, I wasn't recording, but thank fuck this hammer.
Let's see if I can get my phone because this would be a perfect selfie.
I don't have the best grip. If he kicks, he's gone.
Yeah, that's right. I don't mind if he goes. I'd just be a mean selfie if we could get it.
Yes! What a piggy!
Beautiful. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, off he goes.
Oh, there's the boat. There he goes. Big tail kick and gone. Yeah! Holy fucking dooly, guys!
What a day!
The bay!
What
How
a
good.
fucking cracker.
How good.
Unbelievable. Unbloody believable.